thank you for being here on this very important day when we get to announce core stage complete for, in fact, the SLS rocket, the most powerful rocket ever built in human history. We are making significant progress. By the end of the year, we're going to be moving it out of the Michoud assembly facility. We're going to take it to the Stennis Space Center. We're going to do a green run test. We're going to prove its capability. We're going to get it to the Cape, and we're going to be ready to launch American astronauts to the moon again and getting our first woman and next man to the South Pole of the moon in 2024. This time when we go to the moon, we're going to go to stay with a purpose of learning how to live and work on another world so that we can take that knowledge and information to Mars. Thank you so much for being here. Happy Artemis Day.